Today is a terrible day for Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu value is falling sharply. Worries have been expressed by investors. When will this dust settle? It looks like we'll get a glimpse of it soon. The United States government has dropped a bombshell on Shiba Inus, and this might be the most influential element in deciding its ultimate price, which might set a new record. Fill me in on the situation. Moreover, to what am I even making reference? Sure, I'll do my best to explain. Here at Wealthy Coins, we are pleased to provide you with Shiba every day. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news. What gave rise to this? After doing a complete about-face 2 days ago, sending shockwaves through the dog community, the price of Shiba Inus has plunged in the past day. Neither is this a minor deterioration. Quite important. This is the first time the Shiba Inu has ever fallen. Anguish, that one. Regarding the hype, everyone was correct. After witnessing the price decline for several days, it gradually rose again. For a little while, it appeared as though things were returning to normal. But subsequently, everything came crashing down once again. Something to look forward to, an objective. Everything disappeared in an instant. This is especially heartbreaking for the Shiba Inu traditionalists among us who thought we had finally achieved victory. As far as anyone could tell, it was a watershed moment. When does this end? There appears to have been an abrupt shift in the market. Please describe what took place.
What I want to tell you is this.
This inexplicable price fluctuation has lately prompted one expert to raise concerns. Shiba Inus can be suffering from an illness. Does it matter? It is becoming more challenging to sustain important support levels. If it keeps sliding, things can get ugly. The price of a Shiba Inu is currently lower than it was previously. Following its decline during the past day, it is highly likely that it will continue to decline by 0 more. That is highly important. Currency has recently attempted to turn around its downward trajectory. Regrettably, it was not advanced, but severely rejected. After that rejection, it fell straight back down. Additionally, investors are starting to doubt the speed of the rebound, which is making it more difficult to sell. Even further decline, possibly to an intolerable psychological low, is possible if the Shiba Inu price does not remain above its current level of support. If that happens, investor confidence would be further damaged, which might lead to a significantly steeper decline in the price. One could still be hopeful. If the Shiba Inu can find a stable spot to settle, it might be able to reorganize and attempt the climb again. Best case scenario. An extended period of rising prices that puts Shiba Inu back on its bullish path and pushes the price higher than it was before. But things aren't looking good right now. If bulls don't step in to defend key levels from sellers, the Shiba Inu might keep falling. Also, if the market falls by just 1 more point, it might spell disaster. Who are we to assume that you aren't interested in knowing the truth?
Why did the Shiba Inu suddenly start to decline?
Okay, let's distance ourselves and look at the bigger picture. To everyone's surprise, Bitcoin is actually doing the same thing. The market was rocked by its recent plunge below the important 80,000 threshold, which shocked everyone. Over the past day alone, liquidations have drained over $1 billion. The selling pressure also couldn't hold Bitcoin. These levels have not been seen since it broke through its critical support in late 2024. This decline is also not a little adjustment. Bitcoin might take a major tumble after this minor setback before the market recovers. The recent activity of crypto whales who trade massive amounts of Bitcoin has only served to exacerbate the chaos. One expert estimates that in just 96 hours, over 40,000 Bitcoin changed hands. Subtle adjustments like this, involving such a substantial amount, usually mean that something is happening behind the scenes. Meanwhile, another analyst predicts that Bitcoin may settle into a new range between 75,000 and 100,000, like it did earlier this year, after a lengthy consolidation period during which more drops are probable. Furthermore, if Bitcoin experiences issues, the entire cryptocurrency market is impacted. There are a lot of factors contributing to the falling value of Shiba Inu. It's a part of this bigger chaos. At least for the time being, everything could fall to pieces if Bitcoin keeps going downhill. How come this is transpiring? Trump personally and tariffs again? Investors are in a state of complete dread following Trump's confirmation that he will soon put heavy tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China. There was a dramatic drop in value after this news jolted the market, with a precipitous decline of almost 5%. Bitcoin's price touched its lowest point since November of last year. When Bitcoin's value drops dramatically, it affects the entire cryptocurrency market, even Shiba Inu. At this particular moment, everyone is on edge. Investors are quickly pulling back from the market as a result of the high degree of uncertainty and the fear that comes with it. The dramatic drop in Bitcoin's value isn't something that happened once. This is in reaction to the concerns expressed by many regarding the potential effects of these tariffs on the economy. If this pattern keeps up, the coming days can be even more of a roller coaster. Here, let me explain. Luckily, there's still reason to be happy. The SEC recently delivered a bombshell revelation, which is great news for Shiba Inu. The US SEC's Division of Corporation Finance has stated that Shiba Inu and similar meme coins are not considered securities, contrary to what the general public believes. It astounds me. Federal securities rules do not apply to meme coins, as the SEC made clear in a statement they released yesterday. Their collectible status is actually a result of their speculative nature. According to the SEC, these tokens are more about passing trends, internet memes, and community engagement than they are about investing. To put it plainly, people buy them for fun, not in the hopes of receiving a certain percentage of one's money back from a corporation. Furthermore, as Shiba Inu is not considered a security, registration is not necessary for transactions involving it. A major regulatory hurdle that might have led to problems down the road is gone because securities rules do not apply. However, there is a small catch. To be clear, the SEC did not intend for this to imply that meme coins are completely safe. If proof of fraud does come to light, they could still face consequences from other agencies. The Shiba Inu and the vicious coin industry both won big here. This may not appear to be a huge issue at first glance, but it actually holds great importance for Shiba Inu. Nonetheless, for what reason? Freedom. That is a major concern in the cryptocurrency industry. As we have all witnessed, when cryptos become mired in legislation, terrible things may happen. Everything comes to a halt the moment governments step in and begin imposing limits. It can completely derail some initiatives. One of the main reasons why some digital currencies never reach their maximum potential is because of regulations.